Have you ever wondered if baking soda is the miracle ingredient it's often claimed to be, or if using it the wrong way could actually do more harm than good? In today's video, we're diving into baking soda hacks, what works, and what's downright dangerous. From clearing stubborn stains to soothing an upset stomach, baking soda is one of the most versatile items in your pantry, but it's not all good news. Misusing it can lead to serious consequences for your health, skin, and home. Stick around because we're not just talking about what baking soda can do. We're exposing the myths, uncovering hidden risks, and sharing science-backed tips on how to use it safely and effectively. Whether you're trying to whiten your teeth, clean your kitchen, or tackle health issues like heartburn, this video will help you separate fact from fiction and use baking soda the right way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid the common mistakes that could cost you more than you bargained for. And if you're into practical health tips and life-enhancing hacks like this, make sure to check out the other videos on our channel. We've got tons of content designed to make your life healthier, easier, and more informed. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive into the world of baking soda, because you might just be using it wrong. What is baking soda and why is it popular? Let's start with the basics. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a white powder that's been a household staple for decades. It's cheap, widely available, and incredibly versatile. You can use it in cooking, cleaning, personal care, and even for certain health remedies. Its alkaline properties make it a natural neutralizer, which is why it's so effective for so many purposes. But with all the hype surrounding baking soda, it's easy to see why some people overuse or misuse it. From putting it on their skin to ingesting it daily, people often forget that more isn't always better. That's why understanding the do's and don'ts of baking soda is crucial, not just for getting results, but for avoiding harm. What works? Proven benefits of baking soda. Baking soda as a natural cleaner. Baking soda is a powerhouse for cleaning. It's abrasive enough to scrub off grime, but gentle enough not to damage surfaces. You can use it to clean countertops, remove stains from clothes, and even deodorize your fridge. Want a quick hack? Sprinkle baking soda on your carpets, let it sit for 15 minutes, and vacuum it up for a fresher-smelling home. Baking soda for heartburn relief. One of the most popular health uses for baking soda is as a quick fix for acid reflux or heartburn. Its alkaline nature neutralizes stomach acid, providing almost instant relief. But, and this is important, this should only be done occasionally. Using it too often can mess with your stomach's natural balance and lead to more problems. Teeth whitening with baking soda. Baking soda can be used to brighten your smile, thanks to its mild abrasive properties. It's great for removing surface stains on teeth. However, it's important to use it sparingly. Too much scrubbing can wear down your enamel. What's dangerous? The risks of baking soda. Hair damage. Baking soda is sometimes promoted as a natural shampoo alternative, but its high alkalinity can strip your hair of natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Overuse in health remedies. Drinking baking soda for health benefits, like balancing body pH or curing illnesses, is a trend that's not backed by science. Overconsumption can lead to alkalosis, a condition where your blood becomes too alkaline, causing nausea, muscle spasms, or even more severe issues. Damage to tooth enamel. While baking soda can whiten teeth, overuse can wear down enamel, leaving your teeth more sensitive and prone to cavities. Stick to occasional use and avoid scrubbing too hard. Baking soda myths. What doesn't work? Curing major illnesses. Despite some claims, baking soda cannot cure cancer or other serious diseases. Be wary of any advice suggesting otherwise. Permanent odor removal. Baking soda helps with odors temporarily, but it doesn't always address the root cause. How to use baking soda safely. For cleaning, always dilute it with water when using it on delicate surfaces or fabrics. For health, use sparingly and only when necessary. Consult a doctor if you're unsure. For personal care, avoid using it on sensitive skin or in large amounts. Practical baking soda recipe, DIY cleaning solution. Before we wrap up, here's a quick and easy recipe to safely use baking soda in your home. DIY all-purpose cleaner. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 cup of warm water. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. A few drops of your favorite essential oil, optional, for scent. Mix these ingredients in a spray bottle, and you've got a safe, effective cleaner for countertops, sinks, and even bathroom tiles. It's chemical-free and budget-friendly. Pro tip: test it on a small surface first to make sure it won't cause any damage. Baking soda is an incredible tool when used correctly, but like anything else, it has its limits and potential dangers. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can take advantage of its benefits without putting yourself or your home at risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the other content on our channel for more life hacks, health tips, and practical advice.